Pacific Bank is taking digital banking to the next level, all to make your money move simple, seamless, and just straight up smart. And we have Jason Lazzarini, their Executive Vice President and Chief Digital Officer, to talk about this transformation. Welcome into the studio.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, we need to talk about this digital glow up. What does that mean?
Well, digital transformation for a lot of people is about technical stuff, but we really think about it as engineering an exceptional customer experience, right? We want to make it easy for you to do the basic stuff, and then fun, perhaps, and add some value along the way. So as you see us move into 26, you'll see us really focus on mobile banking. Artificial intelligence is a big part of what we're going to do, and we're going to try to open our new accounts in more of a hybrid way.
Okay, so pretty much your standard services will always be operational. This is just kind of an added, simple solution for those maybe it takes a little extra time to go to the bank. They could just do their transfers from their phone and get more advice, yeah?
Yeah, and I think what's incumbent upon us as a bank is to meet the customer where they are in the moment. So if you have something complex you want to do, you go to one of our branches. Our folks are amazing. They're there. They're well trained. They'll help you. If you can't get to the branch, we want to make the call center a place where you can go and get great advice. And then finally, if you're like me and you're standing in line at Zippy's and you need to check something quickly, you can look at your mobile app and see if that check cleared.
That's perfect, right? Your mobile bank at your pocket, see what your balance is. Maybe if you wanted to get the double pack or a single pack, it kind of
right.
you choose on that one.
That's right.
But yeah, the mobile banking app. So there's a CPB app that is handy and anyone could use if you are an account holder.
Oh yeah, and we have the #1 rated mobile app in the market. We're really proud of that, and it's got a lot of fun things. It's easy to do the easy stuff, and we've added some cool things in there where you can check your credit score and you can monitor your credit score. You can also save in a fun way. We've tried to call it gamified savings, and then also you can budget with our app. So we're really trying to add value into what you do.
I love it. So that when you were talking about, you know, coming in, calling into the call center, or maybe doing something on the phone, is that kind of like an omni-channel communication with CPB, right?
Yeah, I should probably stop using omni-channel. It's kind of a buzzword. But, you know, it's like people don't think of us as a digital bank and a call center. They think of us as one CPB, and it's our job to make that experience seamless. And so what we try to do is figure out where we meet the customer and make that one consistent experience. So we've got a lot of tools to do that, but we're really focused on making that consistent for customers.
I love it. And when you say customer too, it's not just having maybe just a simple bank checking account, but also you folks are specializing if you want to start a business. You know, here in Hawaii, you maybe have multiple jobs, but you had a spark that you want to start a business. Or like for me, just got married, want to buy our first home. So who do I talk to when I walk in?
Oh, absolutely. You know, we talk about financial products, but we know that there's real human dreams and problems that are out there, and that financial products are a means to do some of these really important things. So whether you're getting married and you're saving for your first home, or you're a small business owner and it's your dream to always run something that's yours, you know, we've got tools and solutions and advice to help people really do what they need to do. Okay,
that's really valuable too, having the advice, having a mentor along the way. It just takes a spark and they come to you guys for some of those questions, right?
Oh yeah, and like, you know, the economy is so important to us, our local community is so important to us, and small business generates jobs, and it's really important for us to continue to support that way. So we're very proud of that.
That's very cool. And you know, we're always talking about efficiency, saving time, and there's always the hot topic about AI. When is it useful, and we don't want to give too much information out. How does that work in tandem with you guys at Central Pacific Bank?
Yeah, I mean, we're known for innovation, so AI is a big part of what we're doing going forward. And I would say the way we're approaching it is responsibly and in a phased way. So you'll see us face tools to our employees first. So there's all this complexity with banking, there's all these regulations, and what we want to do is give our employees ways to get that information so they can help our customers. Very safe. Next, we might automate some simple things for the customer so that they don't have to talk to a human being necessarily. So we're going to do it in a phased way, but hopefully you don't even notice it. It just means that when you call CPB or you deal with us, it's very efficient and user-friendly.
Okay, and if digital scares you too much, you could always come in, right?
We love you to come in. Please come in.
I love it. And then, you know, we talked about a lot of features, starting a business, a home, but even those maybe coming out of high school, starting college, there's your Shaka checking, just keeping it nice and simple, right?
Yeah, Shaka checking is cool. I have a Shaka checking. You don't need to be young.
Still, yeah?
I'm old. But yeah, it's for people who, you know, get direct deposit, right? And they pay their friends through Zelle or Venmo, or they're paying their bills online. They're not the typical check writers. They get their money from the ATM, if they're even using cash at all. And so if you do that, we have great perks for you. You get paid early. We rebate your ATMs even at other banks. So we try to add value for people who are like native digital.
Okay, I like it. And then that's how you get that cash at hand.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. For people who want to find more information on that Shaka checking or just all the services you folks have there at CPB, where can people go?
CPB.bank.
Awesome. Thank you, Jason, so much for coming in studio. We're also going to post more details on HighNowDaily.com. We're going to be right back after this break.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Appreciate it.